Welcome to Drinking with Dragons. My name is Roy, and today we are making the Caribbean screwdriver. This recipe is going to have 1 ounce of coconut rum. I'm going with the Admiral Nelson. Good stuff. This recipe is also going to have 1 ounce of Peach Schnapps and 1 ounce of Crème de banana. That's it for the alcohol. And it's also going to have 2 ounces of pineapple juice and 4 ounces of orange juice, because it wouldn't be a screwdriver without it. And also, unlike a regular screwdriver, it doesn't have vodka, it has rum. This recipe is also going to have 2 ounces of cream, but I'm out of cream, so I'm going to use milk. Alright, we're going to throw it into this hurricane glass here. Let's get started, shall we? Okay. We'll start out with the Peach Schnapps. 1 ounce. Good stuff. I'm kind of wondering how this drink will turn out because it has the cream in it. And normally a lot of times Peach Schnapps and other citrusy stuff makes cream curdle. But we'll see what happens. Okay. 1 ounce of coconut rum. Okay. And finally, 1 ounce of crème de banana. Okay, here's what we got so far. Okay, let's do the 2 ounces of pineapple next. Okay. Next, 4 ounces of OJ. Let's keep the scurvy away. Oh wait, that's lemon juice. Whatevs. This is in a small drink. Okay. Finally, 2 ounces of cream, which I already measured out, so here it goes. Huh, didn't curdle. Yet. Alrighty. Okay, shake it up. To this one now. That was pretty interesting. There's a lot of stuff in there. Still got some left over too. So, has that bright yellow banana look to it. And I'm going to garnish it with a cherry. I'm using one of my cherries, because I can. F-Y-I-A-D. Okay. minutes so far, not bad. Okay. Let's try it out now, shall we? You see it has a nice creamy look to it. Didn't curdle too much either, which is surprising. Ooh. That's pretty refreshing. You get the Peach Schnapps right in the first sip. Get some nice, you actually get a nice bit of that orange juice in there. Little hint of coconut. You get that nice banana flavor, crème de banana flavor in the finish. It's actually really refreshing. And it's only 3 ounces of alcohol too, so this could creep up on you if you're not careful. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Alright. The Caribbean Screwdriver. Thank you for watching. My name is Rourke for Drinking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of alcohol. See you next time and drink responsibly.